Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, I hope you all will be fine. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Today, my topic is garden decor ideas. How to decor your garden. Number one, decorating a garden is a creative, enjoyable process. Here are some steps to help you decorate your garden. Number one is plan and design. Assess your garden space and consider its size, shape, and existing features. Determine your garden purpose and the atmosphere you want to create relaxing, vibrant, and minimalist. Make a rough sketch or use garden design software to visualize your garden and plan the layout. Choose a theme and style. Select a theme or style that reflect your personal taste and complement your home architecture. Popular them Popular themes including cottage garden, tropical oasis, modern Japanese Zen, or other beautiful gardens. Create focal points. Identify focal points to draw attention and create the visual interest. These can be statues, bath, sculptures, or even unique plants. Position for create focal points. Identify focal points to draw attention and create the visual interest. These can be statues, bird baths, sculptures, or even unique plants. Position focal points strategically, considering sight lines and the overflow of the garden. Select plants. Choose a variety of plants that thrive in your climate and suit your design style. Desired style. Consider color, textures, and height of your plants to create a visually appealing composition. Incorporate mix of flower, foliage, shrub, and trees to add depth and layers to your garden. Add structures and hardscaping. Install structure like drizzle, pergolas, or arbors to add vertical elements and spot climbing plants. Include hard